Similar to the Outline Circle tool, the Outline Ellipse tool is used to create a closed elliptical shaped outline. Under the More Tools option on the Outlining tab, select Ellipse. While in ellipse mode, click to place the first point of the ellipse and select which surface to place it on. After the first point is placed, a line will connect to the cursor. Click to place a second point on the ellipse edge, and this will be joined with a polyline. An ellipse cannot be calculated until it has 5 points. When there are fewer than 5 points, or the points do not form a valid ellipse, they will be connected with a dotted polyline. Click to place a third and fourth point around the edge of the ellipse. Once the fourth point has been placed, the cursor position will be used as the fifth point, and you can see the ellipse shape. Click to place the fifth point, and the ellipse outline is created. While in ellipse mode, you can drag the points to fine-tune their positions. As with other outline tools, you can see the ellipse being formed in 3D and on other photos as you draw it. Ensure the points are somewhat evenly spaced around the edge. Here is the ellipse that we just drew, shown in the 3D viewer. Here is an example of a second ellipse. You can see the 3D view updating as the ellipse is drawn. You can also reposition points as you are drawing the ellipse. You can press the Escape key partway through drawing an ellipse to cancel. You can see measurement information specific to an ellipse by opening the Measure pane and selecting one ellipse. In conclusion, the Ellipse tool can be used to create elliptical outline objects by clicking on 5 points around the ellipse.